Here's how you can make cutlets. Potato, 1 kilogram boiled. Chicken, 250 grams shredded. Salt, 1 teaspoon. Chicken powder, 1 teaspoon. Black pepper, 1 teaspoon. Garlic powder, 1 teaspoon. Chili sauce, 1 tablespoon. Soy sauce, 1 tablespoon. 1 egg. Breadcrumbs, 1 cup. Corn flour, ½ cup. First, add your chicken in a pan and add all the ingredients. After cooking your chicken, mash your potatoes and then add your chicken. Mash again until it looks something like this. Now make shapes of your cutlets as shown in the video. Then in your breadcrumbs, add your corn flour. Mix and whisk your egg. Now cover your cutlets in the egg and coat it with the breadcrumbs. Fry your cutlets until golden brown. Your cutlets are ready to eat. Enjoy.